getting ready for a new uploading of a train. Why would you use two engines to push a single file of rail cars? I'm not sure if that is just because of the convenience or because it's calculated. This is the intersection where you have to have a car that says stop. You cannot cross this intersection. This is a very serious crossing. This is only for the yard jockeys and the trains, and you have to stop here. Here they are going to split the rail cars and make a segment of their rail cars. Those will be loaded when I come back. Those will be loaded with all these containers on the side, will be put on the top of these rail cars. Now it's almost 3 o'clock on Saturday. Everything on the side will be loaded on these rail cars. When you come at night, you will have a lot of vacant spaces. Of course, the trucks coming and going all the time. I am leaving with a container that just is brought on a train. If you don't pick it up on time, you pay for the storage. You pay for every day.